Yo, what's up? So day number 4, back on the sim account. Had another bad day today. Wasn't as bad as our last $630 red day, but I think we're at $338, so I broke my max daily loss. Overtraded. I got really frustrated. I think I was still carrying in a lot of emotions from my last red day, and I was too focused on trying to make some of that back, and just overtraded and got frustrated. Got way too frustrated. Recognized I was getting frustrated. Knew I should stop. Didn't. Kept trading. Thankfully, I was able to stop at $338 or whatever it was, but that's still not good. Should have followed my rules. Should have stopped at $250. But instead, I overtraded, revenge traded, burned through all my drawdown, and then watched a great trade setup play out in front of me. Sat there, made myself watch it. It hurt. But I think that this is a valuable lesson for me again. Hopefully maybe you guys can learn something from it too. And I'm going to be watching this video a few times. I've been watching all these videos a few times, so until I can figure this out. I know this is probably going to hurt a little bit to watch, but it's good to remember the pain. I know I'm going to be watching this a few times. Trying to remind myself, trying to sink this message in to the deepest, darkest depths of my soul. And until we get there, we're just going to keep doing this process over and over and over again. So anyways, let's get into it, and you guys can see me get frustrated with the markets again. Well, I just realized that my shit wasn't recording, and I didn't record any of that, so you guys are kind of jumping into this trading session in the middle, but we are in a pretty good trade. Right now, we just caught this big push through the lows of the 1 minute and on a pretty good short setup on the 1 hour. But the buyers are stepping back in, and I'm not paying attention right now. I need to manage this trade. Is it going to push down, or are we going to see a reversal here? I think they're trying to... Nope, we got stopped out. So we'll take this back up. We're going to buy it back up.
Submitted. Order filled.
But we want to be tight with our stop, because that selling aggression could just step on us.
Filled. Yeah. Order filled.
So I'm actually going to stay short on this. No, that was not. Oh, wow, look at this aggression from both sides. A lot more aggression from the buyers, though.
Stop filled.
So we're going to take it up with them. That's going to be a big push. A lot of volume coming on the buying side of things. It was kind of a yellow trade in the sense that I'm just riding the momentum, so we're going to take this stop to break even.
Stop filled.
Yep, and we're just going to sit on our hands right now because I'm kind of getting frustrated. No, we're going to short that. That selling aggression is just too heavy. Buyers backed off the bid, but now they're stepping back in. But the seller's just not letting them have anything right now, so I'm starting to feel a little frustrated. So I gotta not let that get too out of control. So yeah, wow, that's some very intentional selling right now happening. Come on, sell into it again.
Filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, we are not taking setups right now, we are just placing trades, and that's a fucking problem. We just don't want to miss out on this move, but I'm getting in before I see my setup, and that's not good. We're actually over trading right now. We are over trading. So, what are we actually looking for right now? We're looking for the short. On the 1 hour, we're looking for the short. On the 1 minute, we're making lower highs and higher lows. We're going to hold this. We're going to try to hold this. Seeing aggressive buying here, but they're not buying it up here. And they're just sitting on the offer here. So this might be a good place to add one more contract, but I'm already feeling frustrated and already placed a couple bad trades, so we're not going to do that. We're going to keep it at one contract. True.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Okay, so if it takes it back up to the highs, we'll short it at the 7.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, so we let the market come to us. But I should have just been sitting at the highs here because that's where I really wanted to get in. And I should be patient. Like, I should be patient for this entry. I should have waited for it to get to the highs. Like, that's what I initially said I was going to do. That's what I initially said I was going to do. And I should be waiting to see if they try to break the highs. Like, I shouldn't be just sitting in a trade right now. I shouldn't be. Okay, but there's the pushback from the sellers that we wanted and needed. So let's see if they can shift this narrative away from the highs here. Break these lows. See the short play out on the 1 hour. Got pretty good potential for this trade to go, but I also don't want to get married too much to that idea. I would really like to just manage this trade actively in the moment. And I'm seeing them pull the bid, seeing them actively stand on the offer. We are seeing more interest from the buyers, but sellers are just overwhelming them. And see them just loading the offer on the way down. But they're selling into it pretty heavily now, right? 10, 12 lots. But they're still pulling the bid. Now 15. Okay, so this is where they wanted to buy. They were pulling down here. They loaded into the offer. They're still pulling it, so they probably want to buy down here. They'll pull it, and then we'll see them buy into the offer. And they're also pulling the offer, so they probably are trying to pull price up so they can sell it into the bid at a better price, like that. Yep. Oh, there's a whole candle I missed. Okay, so we're gonna take the stop to break even. Oh, 2 whole candles. 3 whole candles. Holy fuck. Okay, so 32 lots just got added to the bid and we just fucking blasted through it. Like it was nothing. So this is where we could see the buyers step back in, but and they could take control here. They're not aggressively selling into it. They're backing away from the buying. If that pushes down there again, we're going to take it. They're sitting on the offer, pulling on the bid. I kind of want to see how this plays out. No, I should have taken that. I should have taken that, but we're going to buy it now.
Order filled.
Because of the volume I just seen coming in on the buy side of things. But sellers could try to eat into that liquidity. They're still sitting on that offer. I shouldn't have bought that. I should have stayed in my short.
Stop filled.
Yeah. We're going to short
Order
that.
filled.
Because I do think they're going to break through the lows. I should have stayed in that trade. I should have held it. With the aggression though, we're going 2 contracts on this. This is a lot of aggression from the sellers. Buyers have completely backed off. We're not going to get carried away though and go more than 2 contracts. Oh, yeah, it's looking like
Stop filled. Order filled.
I'm just fucking over trading, man. I'm getting so frustrated. I'm not thinking about what I'm doing. I just keep giving away all my profits.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I did not mean to short it at that price. Yeah, realistically, I should probably stop trading right now. I'm clearly not in a good headspace for it.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. Yeah, we're just gonna get out of this trade.
Stop filled.
Okay. We're down $125. We're going to try to be patient here and salvage some of this.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm chasing it though. I'm chasing it. Chasing it so hard right now.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Like, look at all this buying coming in. I'm still trying to short. Married to my idea. The level of frustration that I'm feeling right now is not good. Like, I think this is going to be my last trade. I'm seeing a lot of one lots trade right now. I don't really understand. We had so much aggression. So they're trying to buy it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We're gonna... I'm seeing the sentiment shift here. I don't want to get too married to my idea of taking the short, so we're gonna try to take the longs. We're seeing more buying coming into the market, but like this 18, this 11, can we trade through that?
Stop filled. Order filled.
I'm just trying to lift it. So at this point, we're going to stay committed to the short. I've overtraded through all of my drawdown. This is going to be the last trade that I take. So right now it seems like they're trying to lift the offer. Probably just to sell some more size up here so they don't move the market too far down when they do it. But I would have expected more than a one lot to trade there. You can see we got a bit of a hole in the market where nobody's interested. So they're pulling it up on like nothing, which makes me think they just want to sell it up here instead of down here. Like there's nobody, they're moving it around by pulling bids and offers is all that's really happening right here. Like they could be trying to find liquidity up here, maybe hoping people have some stops up there. I don't know. This is a theory. I think they're trying to incite some buying so they can sell into it. Seeing more size buying down here. Nobody really wants to do anything in here. It's almost like they're trying to stop me out here.
Stop filled. Order filled.
You can see the seller sitting in the way there. Just added 30 lots up here. They sold into it and price didn't move. This is the level we've came up to a couple times before. This is the trade that I should have waited for. I just broke one of my rules though. I went over my $250 max daily loss. If they break through this level, I'm definitely wrong about the trade. But yeah, there they are selling into the bid. I just hope that I would like to see them keep selling it, and I don't want to see price chop around in this area. Should keep our stop a little bit tighter. So they're pulling the offer there. That's interesting. Definitely more selling up here. And you're still reloading this price level. You can see it start building volume here. And you can see it start building volume here. I do think...
Stop filled.
Whoa.
Order filled.
Let's see how high they can lift this.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I should not be doing anything right now.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I shouldn't be doing that. Fuck, man. This is fucking...
Stop.
Oh, man. And I'm just fucking... Ah! Okay. We're done. We're fucking done. Cannot trade like this. Cannot trade like this. Way too emotional. I'm at $385 in the hole right now. It's a little over $100 over my max daily loss. There's definitely opportunity in the market right now, and I'm gonna miss all of it because I'm just got too frustrated. Didn't give myself a break. Broke my rules, and now we're calling it a day. Not a good day. Like, look at this. This fucking buy program came into the markets and I just fucking kept trying to short it. Kept trying to short it. Kept trying to fucking short it. I should have been fucking patient, or I should have just... Oh man, there's so many things I could have done, and now I'm gonna have a great short opportunity at some point here, and I just fucked it all up. How do I fix this, man? I didn't even have the fucking right shit on my fucking... Fuck! On my OBS, I have the wrong fucking thing, so you guys are looking at my charts instead of the fucking order flow. Just letting it go. Just fucking missing it, because I can't take any more trades. Because I fucked up. Again. We're only trading on Sim, man. The fuck's the big deal? Why do I gotta get so fucking caught up in this shit? Like, look at this shit. It's just fucking ripping now. And I am sitting on the sidelines. Look at it go. I'm gonna watch this just to teach myself a lesson. I'm getting a little bit of pullback. Even that move alone would have been great. So I need to remember for next time was if the sellers are more aggressive and they have control, and it looks like a buy program steps in, the sellers are going to aggressively sell it to that buying, but they're not, doesn't mean they're going to hold the price down necessarily. So tempting to take another trade. So tempting. So hard to just sit here and watch this happen and not get in on it. But you know what? This is good for me. This is good for me. I should have stopped at $250. The last time I was in this situation, I ended up at $630 red, and that hurt. And I think I'm still feeling it. And that's why I got frustrated so fast, because I was trying to make back some of that $630. That was too much in my mind. I should not have been thinking about that. Should not have thinking about that. But look at this. The pullback from that short, it's about to keep going. Well, the short's about to keep going, and the pullback looks like it might be over, maybe not. Not a lot of buying, though. Not a lot. They're pulling the offer. A little bit more buying stepped in now. Yeah, they're going to take it back down, it looks like. There's obviously some resistance from the buyers right here. No, they're gonna push it back up to the highs. Well, the highs were a range that we formed, anyways. This is where the sellers stepped on them last time. We just broke through the highs. This would be a really good place to short it again. Yep. So, we're gonna watch this trade play out too. You know what I should do actually is I should have a separate sim account that I take these good trades on after I fuck up my regular account, just so I can see how much more profitable I'd be if I was patient. It's not a bad idea. Yeah. Buyers are probably gonna step back in here again. Fucked up, man. I fucked up. Well, I think I've caused myself enough pain for one day. I'm gonna go to the gym, burn off some of this fucking frustration, and then sit down and review my day. Yep. Just over here learning all my lessons the hard way. But once I get it figured out, man, it'll be drilled in here. We're just not there yet. So, anyways, hope you guys had better luck than I did today. Till next time. Peace.